Cats can understand several words and sounds, including their name. Cats have their own unique way of communicating, so it's important to recognize that they respond in their own time. Simple words that cats really recognize, including their names. The first word a kitten usually learns is its name, as it's repeated often in the early days. Pick a short, unique name like Tia or Boo to make it easy for your cat to remember and recognize. Be careful when copying your cat's purring and meowing sounds. While your cat makes these noises while playing, you can't always tell what they're trying to say. You can also use food to help your cat learn play and training words with positive reinforcement. This helps them link the word with the action and the reward. If your cat scratches your furniture, words like no or stop are easy for them to learn. Once they stops, reward them with praise, a treat, or some attention. Mealtime is a great opportunity to teach your cat new words. For example, many cats recognize kibble and treats and get excited whenever they hear those words and see the snacks. Cat treats are a great way to show your furry friend some love and provide them with a tasty snack. Temptation's classic crunchy and soft cat treats are a delicious snack for your cat that combines a crunchy exterior with a soft, creamy center. These treats are designed to satisfy your cat's cravings with a tasty flavor that they will love. Whether your cat prefers a crunchy bite or a soft interior, these treats offer the best of both worlds. They are perfect for rewarding good behavior or just as a tasty snack between meals. They come in a variety of flavors to keep your cat excited and satisfied. By using positive reinforcement and consistent communication, you can strengthen the bond with your cat and help them learn new commands.